Welcome back to Foxecom channel. Today we will guide you to create high-converting product pages for your Shopify stores. Have you ever wondered why you sell the same product as your competitor, but your competitor's sales are 1,000, but your sale is just 1? Let's face it, it's because your competitor's product page is like this, so beautiful and eye-catching that customers want to engage more, but your product page is like this, simple and boring. 59% of customers prefer beautiful and well-designed product pages to basic ones. That's the reason why customers don't choose your store. So let's find out how to build stunning product pages that convert like this with Foxify. The first product page optimization tip: showcase your products with high-quality visuals. Let's take a look at this example. Which one do you choose? 93% of customers will choose B, as they regard visual appearance as the primary determining factor. So here are some tips for you to showcase the best product photography. 1. Show different angles of your products. Like how Adidas designs its product pages. They allow customers to evaluate their products from every angle, through detailed and high-quality product photos. So that customers can get a better idea of what the product looks like and how it will fit their needs. Another tip from Mango: contextualize your photos. If you're selling high heels, demonstrate how the shoes can be paired with other clothing items by showing a mix and match photo. Next, display images for every product variant. Don't let your customers imagine. It's like how Pull and Bear do. They display a full product view of each color or pattern variant to help your customers better visualize the product and show them exactly what to expect. Customers won't need to imagine what the pale khaki t-shirt looks like and whether it's the color they're looking for. This can help increase the likelihood of saying, "Yes, it's the khaki color that I want to buy." The second tip to optimize the product page: craft compelling product descriptions. 87% of online shoppers consider product descriptions to be crucial when making a buying decision. So what makes a good product description? First, it must be customer-focused, which means it must look into your target audience's pain points and solve them. It's like the UDI realizes the pain point and gives a solution in their product description. They understand customers want elastic and versatile sleepwear, so they promote it as one size fits most and wear your sleep tee how you want in the description. Second, it must be benefit-driven. Your product description shouldn't merely talk about the features of the products themselves. It must relate the features to the benefits that customers receive. See how schemes write their description. They flex their unique features: ultra-soft push-up foam pads, while enticing customers with the benefits of these features offer the perfect amount of lift and support. Finally, your product description must be concise. None have time for a wall of text, so make it brief, but informative with an easy-to-read structure. Firebox did a great job in writing the description. They summarize the key features and benefits so customers can scan to understand the products. They also provide more details in a collapsible tab for those who want to read about products in detail. So how to write a compelling product description if you aren't an expert? Let Foxify join the game. Fox Magic, the integrated AI of Foxify, can help you write compelling descriptions in some clicks. You can choose the writing tone, set the word limit, and input your requirements here. Then Foxify will do the rest and generate the best product description for you in a wink. Product page optimization tip 3: make pricing information clear. 60% of customers consider pricing the very first criterion on their buying decision, so make sure it is as clear as possible. For example, your product page shouldn't be like this. The price is blended into other elements, making it look unattractive. Compared to this product page, do you see the difference? The discounted price is highlighted with the contrasting color, making it stand out from other elements. The discount is also emphasized with the sale badge, creating a feeling that it's a good deal. the big question here is, how to apply these tips to your website. Let us introduce the ultimate solution.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
The next tip to optimize your product page, incorporating social proof to build trust. Consumers place greater trust in customer reviews than in product descriptions, with a difference of 12 times in trustworthiness. That's why famous brands like ColourPop incorporate product reviews section into every single product page. It's not difficult to add a product review section to your product page. And it's just a click away with Foxify. Simply click Add Sections, and choose a review section from the review apps you want, and here it is. Our Foxify is integrated with top-notch review apps on the market like Judge Me, Ollie Review, Looks. You can freely choose the one you like. If you don't know which app to choose, we have a detailed review on top Shopify review apps. Check the link in the comment. The final tip for a high-converting product page, make your CTAs stand out. After consumers research and evaluate your products, it's time to decide. Sometimes, your hesitating customers need a little motivation or guidance, and it's when a call to action button works. You can follow these tips to create a CTA that makes your customers want to click. Place the CTA high up the page. Usually, CTAs are positioned next to the product image and below the product details. Next, make it visually appealing by using a bright color like red or orange. So here are 5 proven tips to optimize product page to generate more sales. If you want to dive deeper, we attach the detailed guidance in the comment below. If you want to watch more tips to build successful Shopify stores, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any video in the future.